Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, so you can join our tech family. If it is informative to you, please like our video, share it with your friends so they can get help with these video, and don't forget to press all notification bell icon so you get regular update and don't miss any single video.
Security breach example 1. The online password manager, Lastpass, detected unusual activity on its network in July 2015. It turned out that hackers had stolen user email addresses, password reminders, and authentication hashes. Fortunately for the users, the hackers were unable to obtain anyone's encrypted password vaults. Even though there was a security breach, Lastpass could still safeguard the user's account information. Lastpass requires email verification or multi-factor authentication whenever there is a new login from an unknown device or IP address. The hackers would also need the master password to access the account. Lastpass users also have some responsibility in safeguarding their own accounts. The users should always use complex master passwords and change the master passwords periodically. The users should always beware of phishing attacks. An example of a phishing attack would be if an attacker sent fake emails claiming to be from Lastpass. The emails ask the users to click an embedded link and change the password. The link in the email goes to a fraudulent version of the website used to steal the master password. The users should never click the embedded links in an email. The users should also be careful with their password reminder. The password reminder should not give away your passwords. Most importantly, the users should enable multi-factor authentication when available for any website that offers it. If the users and service providers both utilize the proper tools and procedures to safeguard the user's information, the user's data could still be protected, even in the event of security breach. Figure display on the screen depicts an abstract laptop with the words login and password displayed on the screen.
We hope you enjoyed the video and found value in the content. We value your feedback. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to post them in the comments section or contact us directly via our social platforms. Thanks for watching.